You guys, I'm so excited that we're going to a sushi place today. We're here at Sushi Monster in Farmington, Utah. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't start eating sushi until I was like in my late 20s, and I always thought it was like this crazy thing, and I was scared of it. And then I had sushi, and it changed my life. So you have to find the right place though, and I've been here many, many times. This is delicious. There's gonna be plenty of options. We're gonna stay on track with our keto goals. We're gonna feel awesome. We're gonna feel proud of ourselves when we leave here. It's going to be delicious. We're not gonna miss out on anything. Let's go. Hey guys, we are at Sushi Monster in Farmington, Utah. It is literally one of my favorite sushi places that I've ever been to, and I'm not lying. I've been here many, many times. We are gonna have something so delicious today. We wanna be careful as we're looking at the menu. Obviously, we wanna avoid anything that is fried, so no tempuras, which is kind of heartbreaking for me. I used to love those, but there's plenty of other options, so we're gonna be great. Obviously, we need to avoid rice, but we just talked to the waitress, and she said they have quite a few options where they can just bring you everything from the roll without any rice, and it's gonna taste amazing. The only other thing we wanna watch out for is soy. Obviously the soy sauces, we need to be careful. Sometimes they just have too much soy. We can have a little bit, but not too much. So we just wanna be aware of that, be mindful of it. But it's gonna be so yummy. I can't wait to eat this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. It looks like art. This is so beautiful, and I'm not missing out on anything. It has shrimp and salmon, avocado, cream cheese, and it's wrapped in cucumber. Look how creative that is. It just looks amazing. So I'm gonna have all the taste that I want because I love sushi, and I'm absolutely gonna stay on track with my keto goals. Let's do this. I'm diving in.